My name is Roz, and you are checking out Done Right Bookkeeping Services video. Thank you so much for joining me. What I do is help small business owners automate their financial task and help them increase profits. So that's it in a nutshell. So what I want to share with you today is basically what every business owner actually needs, and that's the chart of accounts. And that is what helps you just categorize all of your transactions, whether it's expenses, income, equity, assets, liabilities, whatever it is, the chart of accounts, that's what actually helps you categorize everything. All right. So I have a presentation to share with you, and I actually have a bonus. So you want to stay till the end. And I'm specifically, I'm a certified pro advisor for QuickBooks. So what I'm going to share with you, and I've shared other videos, is all about what QuickBooks can actually do for you. So if you're interested, if you're handling your own bookkeeping as a small business owner, that's fine. But you want to make sure that you're definitely making sure that you have your chart of accounts accurate. And if you're looking for a bookkeeper, you can actually schedule a consultation with me, and it's a free consultation, and we can talk about your business. I want to find out about your business and how can I assist you. So I'm going to leave that link in the description area so you can schedule a call. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and let me share a presentation with you. And this is it here. I think I can, I don't think I want to do that because I want to make sure you see everything. And if I might be in the way if I put my video down a little lower. So basically, why chart of accounts is the roadmap and why every small business needs it. So I always have to put my disclaimer out. We are not financial advisors or tax experts. This presentation is not designed to give financial advice. This presentation is for educational purposes only. So, chart of accounts. What is it all about? So basically, it defines the types of entries for each account, helps to properly categorize your transactions. Remember I said that every small business owner needs the chart of accounts to be accurate because you want to categorize all of your transactions accurately. Develops accurate financial information, because if everything is categorized correctly, you're going to get, the output is going to be accurate financial information. It organized by balance sheets, the assets, liabilities, and equity. So that's what your balance sheets are going to be organized. The income statements is going to be organized and accurate because your income and expenses are categorized through your chart of accounts accurately. So some key points that you want to be aware of. You can merge accounts. So let's say you have some different accounts and you want to merge them. In certain situations, you can merge accounts, okay? And then accounts connected to online banking cannot be or can't be merged, okay? And I'm specifically talking about using the QuickBooks Online software. This is specifically key points for that particular software, okay? Maybe some other software you can do that, but with QuickBooks Online, you cannot. So merge sub-accounts must have same parent, okay? You can merge sub-accounts. Can't or cannot merge two parents if both have sub-accounts. So and I'll show you, that's going to actually, my bonus for you. I'm actually going to show you how to add, how to change, and how to make inactive different accounts if you need to do that yourself. So let's let's go ahead and continue so I can get to that bonus area. I kind of spilled the beans on that because I wanted you to stay to the end so you'll know, so you'll see exactly what I'm going to do. But anyway, so the accounts mapped out to an active product item cannot be made inactive. Okay. An income account mapped to billable expenses can't or cannot be made inactive if there are unbilled charges. Inactivating accounts with sub-accounts will inactivate both, and I hope you can see that, both the accounts in the sub-accounts, both parent accounts and sub-accounts, okay? I have a little slide indicator on my screen that you can't see, but I can see, that's blocking some of my information. I just wanted to kind of put that out there. So basically, all of these bullet points that I just mentioned, there are strategies to be able to fix these things, but you have to know exactly what you need, what needs to be done in order to do that. Okay. But just understand, just in general, these things you have to adhere to, but there are strategies to fix it, to overcome these things. So what is bookkeeping? You may be asking, Roz, what is bookkeeping? As a small business owner, what is bookkeeping? Why do I need it? Well, basically, I did a previous video, and I'll link it right at the top of this video so you can go back and view that. But basically, bookkeeping is accurately recording transactions to prepare financial statements. Okay. And the chart of accounts will actually do its part in accurately recording transactions to prepare financial statements. Okay. And what's very important is to understand this equation. Assets equals liabilities plus equity. So understanding those three items there, you can accurately record your transactions. Okay. So I love this quote by Dr. Dennis Kimbrough. Opposition comes to the man, or he didn't write or woman, but I put in there or woman, hello, who aspires. And even through, the trials, the opposition that you may be facing, if God put it on your heart for this business to succeed, if he put this desire for you to create this business, just understand there's going to be some opposition, right? But be strong, be persistent, and surround yourself with those who believe in what you're doing. Okay. Just continue to be strong in what you believe in. So if you're ready to have a free consultation with me to see if I can assist you with your bookkeeping needs, we can chat, and I'll have the link in the description area. But for now, let me go ahead and see if I can do this easily. And I want to remove that. So I'll come back, and I want to share the bonus with you. So here, I think this is it. Yep, that's it. All right. So this is the bonus, guys. This is the bonus. So basically, this is a test account in QuickBooks Online. And what I want to do is actually show you exactly what I shared with you about the chart of accounts. So inside of this test QuickBooks account, this is Craig's Design and Landscaping, right? And I want to show you where to go in order to either add, edit, or even make inactive an actual account in your chart of accounts. Okay. So if you're in your account, you will come over here to the gear icon in the top right corner. Click on that. Now, under your company, you'll see chart of accounts. I'm going to go there in a moment, but I want to show you under all list. I'm going to show you that first. So I'm going to click on all list, and you'll see here the list of different features and options that's in QuickBooks Online. So chart of accounts is there. So if I click on chart of accounts, you see where it takes me, right? I'm going to go back over here to the gear icon, and then I'm going to click on chart of accounts. So it takes you to the same place, right? It takes you to the same place, but I wanted you to just see that there's two options of where you can go and see. So I'm going to click on that. So how do you add a new account in the chart of accounts? You come over here to new, you click on new, and then you have to know which account you want to add that new account into. Okay. Is it an income? Is it an expense? Is it bank, assets, credit cards, liabilities, equity? I'm going to say an expense. So I'm going to click on that, and you'll see that it highlights in green around the borders. And then if you scroll down a little bit, it's going to give you save account under. So you want to save this under. There's going to be, based on your small business, once you have your online QuickBooks, your QuickBooks Online account, is already going to have some pre-selected chart of accounts already set up for you based on your business that you create your account with. So, but you can also customize based on what your needs are as well. So if I scroll down, you see there's expenses. And remember, I clicked on expenses. So advertising, automobile. So advertising, automobile, and all of these others are sub-accounts for expenses. Fuel is a sub-account for automobile, and automobile is a sub-account for expenses. So if I scroll down, you see all of these different sub-accounts and sub-accounts under expenses, right? So this is nicely categorized. So when you run reports once a month, every week, or however often you run reports, you know exactly what's what within your account, within your company, right? You know where your expenses are, what expense is for what, and things like of that nature. So if I scroll down, I'm going to come over here to promotional. Okay, let's just say Craig's Lawn Keeping is running a promotion, and they want to, give out some t-shirts or mugs or whatever it may be. So just understand, it's an expense. We know that. I clicked on promotional. It's already under advertising promotional for tax purposes. And then I can say I want to make a sub account under promotion. Let's say I want to do t-shirts. Okay, I can do t-shirts. So the account name is going to be t-shirts. T-shirts is self-explanatory, so I'm not going to put a description in there, but you can if needed, right? And then when you scroll down a little bit further, you're going to see that what I just created with the t-shirts under the promotional account, it's giving me an actual preview of what I just did. So I'm adding t-shirts, and it's showing me that it's a sub account of promotional. So if that's fine, I can click on save. So I'm going to click on save just so you'll see. All right, so this saved. And now what I can do, I can either search. Now, let's say I want to edit. I want to edit an actual account. I can actually, if I know the account that I want to edit, I can put it in this search field. Or I can just scroll down and find the actual account that I want to edit. So let's say I want to edit that t-shirts, and I made a mistake, and I didn't want t-shirts. I'm actually going to have mugs, right? So I can click on here and go down until I find promotional and the t-shirts that I just added. Like I said, I can put it in the search field, but I want to show you how it actually appears as you scrolling. So here's promotional, and here's the t-shirts that I just added. So we know it's an expense and it's under advertising promotional. So what I can do is come over here to the right of run report, and I can click on the drop down. And then it says edit. I can click on edit. And it's going to bring up pretty much what we just seen when we added t-shirts to it. So if I wanted to say, all right, I made a mistake, I want to change it to mugs. So I did that. It's going to give me a preview just like it did before, and I can click on save. And you're going to see that it changes to, instead of t-shirts, it changed to mugs. So that's adding an account to the chart of accounts. That's editing an account under the chart of accounts. And let's say we want to make one inactive. So all I do is come back over here to the drop down, and I can say make inactive. Okay, so just understand that it reduces the usage, because the basic QuickBooks Online account, actually you're allowed 250 accounts within your QuickBooks Online account. So this is what that means, is reducing the usage, because depending on which plan, and I actually have another video that you can refer back to that shows you the different plans within QuickBooks Online. You can see that each plan has a different amount of chart of accounts that you can create. So if I say make inactive, then it's going to have a pop-up. You're about to make one account inactive. This will remove it from account and category fields on your transactions. You can make it active again later if you need to. So do you want to continue? Yes, make inactive. And you'll notice that now mugs is gone. Okay, but that's basically it. You know, that's what I wanted to share with you. I'm going to stop sharing now, and I'm going to come back over here. So, like I said, if you want to schedule a consultation with me, and you're in need of a bookkeeper, schedule your consultation. Let's see if we're a good fit to work together, right? But regardless of what you do, you want to make sure that your chart of accounts is set up accurately, so your reports will print out or run accurately, right? So all that, I want you to just continue to push forward with your small business. God bless you. And if you're in need of a consultation, just click the link in the description area. If you're viewing this from Facebook, go ahead and like and comment and follow the Dave and Roz Benjamin Facebook page. If you're viewing this